Well, coming up in just a little bit, we got sets coming up from Danny the Wild Child and a Spunday set. Right now, it's my man Halo. You played last night at Red Dog for Stylish. Did you have a good time?
Yeah, it was good.
He rinsed it.
It was good.
Absolutely awesome. In fact, I think at the end of the night, I came up, I told you, I was like, oh
Yeah,
my
it was
God.
good. I was stoked.
Fools were falling out. It's a fun room to play, man. That's like
It's an old school room, man.
It's just a big, nasty, dirty loft and lots of speakers.
Red Dog's the dog's been around.
If only the monitors had.
Only in Chicago.
Only in Chicago. All right, so this is your set. What are we listening to, man?
This is actually a KOT thing on Defected. Just came out.
What are you doing for the conference? Do you know yet?
Yeah, kind of. Well, we just got Me and Hippies got our album that's getting ready to be released.
On Soma?
420.
What a coincidence.
Yeah, exactly. And we spent a month in Australia, just knocked out this album, so.
Very cool. So that's something to look out for. It's coming out on Soma. Or is it just going to be vinyl, or is it going to also come out on CD?
It's Soma/Virgin. Virgin picked it up, so yeah, it'll be a CD as well.
Look at that. Another Chicago just went done, blown up, but had to leave to do it. Just like everybody else.
I had to be where it's warm for a little while.
Why is that, man? I don't know. I'll never understand it personally. 591-8300. Halo's going to hang out here for a minute, and then he's going to book. But this is his set right here on the Underground Sound for Chicago. Sonic Boom, Q101. also in the studios with us. You wanted to say what up to some peoples.
Yeah, Ralphie C, Mondad, Candace, Mikey V, White Boy Mike.
White Boy Mike.
And all the mad smokers out there, you know who you are. Justin in San Diego. All the boys from Gramophone and Andre Harris and the crew.
Right on, no doubt. You're going over to where? Smart Bar to go check out.
Yeah, Miles is playing.
So that's the spot to be tonight. Everybody always calls me up and they go, where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Well, Miles is in town. He's playing at the Smart Bar. And you can run through and chase Halo and grab him on the booty and be like, hey, shit was beating tonight, boy. It was beating. He likes it when you do that. You just go ahead. Just grab it. Just grab it. Oh, he's turning red. He likes it. That's cool. It's Q101 Sonic Boom. My name is Joey, 591-8300. Brian's going to probably break out of here in about a minute, but if you want to send a last minute little kiss off to him before he takes off to Ohio next.
Vale, way before that.
Yeah.
That was a sumo track that she called.
Oh, yeah, Psycho Bitch called.
And I can maybe get her a copy.
So, yeah, if you're listening, that's what it is. We'll call her back in a couple of minutes. In fact, she'll probably be on the show. Again, we'll get her on the phone in a couple of minutes. And we're coming back with Danny the Wild Child and tickets for Stardust 3. Hang out. It's Q101 Sonic Boom.
40 DJs, 4 rooms, 1 experience. This Sunday, with No School or Work Monday, Global Adrenaline and North Star Entertainment present Stardust 3. Performing live on 4 turntables, techno legends Frankie Bones and Adam X. Along with DJ Micro, Dave Auday, Skylab 2000, Mix and Mark, Alex Peace, Jess One, Caffeine, Nosmo, Psycho Bitch. With special 4 turntable sets by DJ Funk and Vialgo, Danny the Wild Child and Phantom 45, Paul Anthony and Mark Almaria, Fantasy and Infinity, and many more. Stardust will transform this 5,000 capacity venue with concert-style sound, lighting, visuals, and full-scale decor. Stardust 3 at Oasis 160 West Joe Orr Road in Chicago Heights. 18 to enter, 21 to drink. Party from 8 till 4 a.m. Sponsored by Superdance Mix-a-Lots and ExoticCoach.com. For tickets, directions, and hotel accommodations, visit Stardust3.com.
Okay, you friggin'